Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manorama. In today's video we are going to solve 10 Python programming problems. Problem 21. Write a program to convert a string to uppercase. Hashtag solution. Def to underscore uppercase. S. Return S. Upper. String equals hello. Print. To underscore uppercase. String. Output. Hello. Problem 22. Write a program to convert a string to lowercase. Hashtag solution. Def to underscore lowercase. S. Return S. Lower. String equals hello. Print. To underscore lowercase. String. Output. Hello. Problem 23. Write a program to remove all occurrences of a specific character in a string. Hashtag solution. Def remove underscore char. S. Char. Return S. Replace. Char. Single quote. String equals hello world. Char underscore to underscore remove equals O. Print. Remove underscore char. String. Char underscore to underscore remove. Output. Hell world. Problem 24. Write a program to check if a number is a perfect square. Hashtag solution. Import math. Def is underscore perfect underscore square. N. Return math. ISQRT. N. Asterisk 2 equals n. Number equals 16. Print. Is underscore perfect underscore square. Number. Output. True. Problem 25. Write a program to find the sum of the first n odd numbers. Hashtag solution. Def sum underscore of underscore odd underscore numbers. N. Return n asterisk 2. N equals 5. Print. Sum underscore of underscore odd underscore numbers. N. Output. 25. Problem 26. Write a program to find the sum of the first n even numbers. Hashtag solution. Def sum underscore of underscore even underscore numbers. N. Return n asterisk. N plus 1. N equals 5. Print. Sum underscore of underscore even underscore numbers. N. Output. 30. Problem 27. Write a program to print the reverse of a list. Hashtag solution. Def reverse underscore list. LST. Return LST. -1. My underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print. Reverse underscore list. My underscore list. Output. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Problem 28. Write a program to find the common elements in two lists. Hashtag solution. Def common underscore elements. List 1. List 2. Return list. Set. List 1. And set. List 2. List 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. List 2 equals 3, 4, 5, 6. Print. Common underscore elements. List 1. List 2. Output. 3, 4. Problem 29. Write a program to find the length of a string without using len. Hashtag solution. Def string underscore length. S. Count equals 0. For char in S. Count plus equals 1. Return count. String equals hello. Print. String underscore length. String. Output. 5. Problem 30. Write a program to merge two lists into one. Hashtag solution. Def merge underscore lists. List 1. List 2. Return list 1 plus list 2. List 1 equals 1, 2, 3. List 2 equals 4, 5, 6. Print. Merge underscore lists. List 1. List 2. Output. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.